I greet you all and welcome you to the session. The subject is strategic management. Today we are going to study the guidelines for proper control. The topic is strategic control. So we all know that strategic control is a very important component in strategic management. And to implement strategic plans, it's important that there are in place guidelines for proper control. So implementing strategic control requires adherence to certain guidelines, and without these guidelines, control mechanisms can become not only counterproductive, but they may be ineffective and also bureaucratic. In this lesson, we are going to study the guidelines for proper control. And therefore, by the end of the lesson, we should be able to explain guidelines for proper control. Now, the first guideline is to focus on strategic factors. When instituting strategic control mechanisms, it's important, number one, to focus on strategic factors. One, focus on strategic factors. One, focus on strategic. You have to focus on strategic factors. And you can do so by aligning with objectives. One way to focus on strategic factors is align with objectives. What do I mean by aligning with objectives? By that I mean that control mechanisms or systems or control systems should primarily focus on measuring and monitoring progress towards the organization's core strategic objectives and the critical success factors. By that we mean you should avoid getting bogged down in controlling every minor detail. No, you have to focus on the strategic factors. That is one way to focus on strategic factors, align with the objective, the strategic objectives. Then another way is to identify key performance indicators. You focus on strategic factors by, first of all, identifying the key performance indicators. You should concentrate on the metrics that truly reflect the strategic performance and provide meaningful insights into goal achievement. 3, if you want to focus on strategic factors, you may also prioritize strategic initiatives. Prioritize strategic initiatives by ensuring that control efforts are directed towards monitoring the implementation and the impact of key strategic initiatives. So that is the first guideline. Focus on strategic factors by 1, aligning with objectives, by 2, identifying key performance indicators, 3, prioritizing strategic initiatives.